is it worth the cost of getting your trademark registered? Well, I like to look at cost versus value, and I also like to look at what would the cost of not getting the trademark registered be. So your trademark is your brand name, and having it registered as a trademark is the thing that protects you. And speaking from our own clients' experiences, those that have come to me when they're in trouble sorely wish that they had gone and got their trademark registered prior to having a trademark dispute. And I can promise you that trademark application and filing and registration costs significantly less than having to sort out a trademark dispute. So what protection does your trademark give you? If you have it registered, that means your competitors can't take it from you. They can't register it and claim it as their own. And that saves you the money of your business being diverted to your competitors. So that's a significant saving. But it also saves you, because a trademark registration is a defense to trademark infringement. And so if a competitor says that you're trying to steal their brand and you've got a trademark certificate, you are in a very strong position to not only win that kind of case, but to prevent it from going to court in the first place because you've got the trademark certificate. Now, not everybody with a trademark certificate is the one who actually is the genuine owner of that trademark. There are times where somebody, I don't know, might have been your employee and they might have gone out and registered your name as a trademark, and now they've got the certificate, but it's your name that they've taken. Technically, under the law, you own that trademark, but I tell you what, to take it to court, you're looking at tens of thousands of dollars, maybe $100,000 to get that trademark removed. That's the only way to get the trademark removed, is to take it to court. So when you look at the potential expense and loss of income, and I've had a client who had a very similar situation. It wasn't an employee, but somebody took her name, registered it as a trademark, and she decided she didn't have money to fight the court case, so she just was going to rebrand, even though she had it first. The thing that cost her the most money was having to change her URL, her domain for her web, because her clients could no longer find her, and she lost about 80% of her business over 2 years until it built back up again because her clients couldn't find her under her new name. So that's the real cost of not getting your trademark secure. And what does it cost? Well, it differs from attorney to attorney, but I can tell you what, it's valid for 10 years. And so if you take the cost and divide it over 10, it's minuscule compared to tens of thousands of dollars in a trademark dispute. Plus, you have a valuable asset that you can sell at the end. So is it worth the cost? I say that it's a valuable thing, and it's definitely worth the cost, not only financially, but also just to take that stress from your mind. Because as a small business owner, I know that one of my biggest stresses is I don't want to have any unexpected drama or problems in my business that are going to divert me from running my business, because that again is another cost. So my view, of course, is that it is more than worth getting the money and investing it in your brand. My name is Catherine Warburton, and I am the Legal Lioness.